Imagine hearing your doorbell, and it's not the delivery guy, it's a gator. Welcome to Florida. 2 alligators showed up at a Florida home, and one rang the bell like it owned the place. No joke. The footage went viral, and the homeowner had no idea what was waiting outside. But why? Experts say male gators wander during mating season looking for territory or a date. So maybe this guy thought he'd slide into someone's swamp? So next time your doorbell rings, maybe check the camera. In Florida, it might just be a 10-foot reptile ready to vibe on your porch.